Hi, this is my friend's custom Subrosa Pandora V2 BMX bike, and on it would include his stock fit grips, his animal bar ends, Slam XLT race bars with a Demolition V2 stem,
V2, it's a FL1T.
Eastern directional headset with a Fly Reuben front tire, the Shadow Conspiracy custom front wheel laced to a
Roulette?
Raptor fucking front hub with Odyssey CS2 race forks connected, of course, to the Subrosa Pandora V2 frame, and we have a Rogue Status V2 seat connected to a Kink pivotal seat post with an Eastern Medusa chain wheel, the Shadow half-link chain,
V2.
orange.
On backwards and upside down.
Yeah, some stock '08 Eastern cranks connected to Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Animal GLH back tires, wouldn't recommend riding those.
Another beast.
A Demolition back wheel with a Anorexia back hub connected to a 9-tooth driver.
And that's the bike.